we're standing at our construction site, and I would like to update what we have been done for past few months. So the first step in the construction is called SOE, meaning support of excavation. What does support of excavation means? Support of excavation means that the whole idea is that we're building like an underground fence throughout the whole perimeter of the building in order that the dirt should not sink down to the construction site, God forbid. So how we build that? Step number one, we drill these metal piles that we've been doing for a while because it took us long time to drill through a rock, different layers of the dirt. Because we're going about 30, some parts is 35 feet down. We need to go double the size of the amount that we're gonna actually excavate. So let's say if we're excavating 15 feet down, so we need to drill these piles 35 feet down, double the size. That's first step number one. After we drill all these piles, we pour the concrete here inside the piles. We pour the concrete. We put these little rebars. If you could see on the bottom, there is this an additional rebars prepared for the future piles to be filled up. And after pouring the concrete, the next step is putting those laggings. If you see across the whole perimeter, it's basically these wooden beams that goes in two layers. You see layer 1, layer 2, so in that way it goes around the whole perimeter. So far we've done about 4 or 5 feet in some areas, 7, 8 feet down, then the dirt has been removed and more of those laggings going behind. And this is the idea of support of excavation, to prevent that the whole excavation part, when we're going to excavate the whole dirt, that the dirt will not sink down, and God forbid these two buildings on the sides will be protected. What do we learn from this in our day-to-day life? The lesson to us is that everywhere and anywhere in life, whenever we start, wherever we go, the first step is to support and to rely on something that will hold us throughout our whole process. So what is it hinting to us? It's like a symbolism. It's a symbolic to our belief in Hashem. The first step in our life, wherever you go, you have to believe in Hashem. You have to have imunah and bitachon. Believe and rely on Hashem. If the dirt could, God forbid, sink, if there is no support, same thing is us. We cannot make any step in life until we understand that everything in life, I depend on Hashem. First thing first, and then you start your process.